Welcome to 612 Twin Star Lane in Knightdale Station to be exact. This house is special to me because I actually helped the sellers buy it back in 2018 as a new construction home. It was built by Garman Homes, and it's 3,000 plus or minus a couple square feet, 5 bed, 4 bath. It's got beautiful features throughout, so come on in and let's take a look. This is just a beautiful home. It was built, as I mentioned, by Garman Homes in 2018. It was their Pennsylvania plan, which was their best-selling plan that they had at the time. Knightdale Station is a great area. One of my favorite restaurants is nearby. It's called Prime Barbecue. They open at 11 o'clock Tuesdays and through Thursdays, and they close when they sell out, which happens usually within a couple of hours. There's also a cool brewery nearby, Oak City Brewing. There's a Thales Academy basically on property here, a YMCA, and a 67-acre park. Knightdale Station Park is what it's called. And it's got soccer fields, playgrounds, a splash pad, plenty of room to run, walk. There's a dog park. It's just a really cool spot. The house itself, 3,000 square feet, give or take a few, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's got luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is in great shape. Variant style two-tone kitchen cabinetry with quartz countertops and a white subway tile backsplash. The seller installed these plantation blinds throughout the first floor, and they just really make all the difference in the world. Really gives it just a nice, clean finish. Oversized primary bedroom with tray ceiling and just a beautiful master bathroom, the dual vanity, garden tub, and tile shower. His and her closets. Five bedrooms up here on the second floor altogether. If you don't need all 5, one of them could easily be doubled as an office. Another one could be doubled as a toy room or a bonus room, exercise room, what have you, but lots of flexibility. So the backyard's really flat. Both neighbors on either side have this white vinyl fencing. It's not connected to this house, but it wouldn't cost much to just finish it off. Nice flat backyard with privacy, which is hard to come by. I don't often show off people's garages, but this garage is super clean and organized, and it just gives you a sense for the space. So they've got this workout equipment, which is negotiable, but they still have plenty of room for both cars, you know, when they don't have their moving stuff here. Built-in racking all stays. So garage is super clean. Like I said, I don't normally show garages off, but in this case, make an exception. So going live this Friday, 600,000 even. We're going to have open houses Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday 2 to 4. So if you or somebody you know wants to come take a look, come on out, and we hope to see you there. Thanks.